Okay, this is a video that's going to help with your notes on number systems, and we start with the natural numbers. And natural numbers are just like what they say: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going all the way as big as you like into infinity. Now, there's some special language, some special things. When you take two natural numbers and say you add them, 5 plus 11, you get another natural number, 16. And if you went 367 plus 597, you'd get one big natural number. And if you went 5 times 11, you get 55. When you multiply two natural numbers, you get a natural number. And if you multiplied two big natural numbers, it doesn't matter which ones you chose, you would get a natural number. We say that the natural numbers are closed under addition because you can add any two natural numbers and still stay inside the set of natural numbers. And it's also closed under multiplication. But for subtraction, it just isn't, because if you go 5 minus 11, you get something strange, and you know what it is. A few hundred years ago, or for most of human history, we didn't, even the history of math, people doing math, we didn't have such numbers. And they're negative numbers, but they're not natural numbers. And 5 divided by 11, we know that that's a number, but it's not a natural number. It's a fraction, 5/11ths. 5 divided by 11 is the fraction 5/11ths. So it's not closed under subtraction and division. When you subtract or divide natural numbers, you don't stay inside the set. That's a big math idea. Let's take a look at whole numbers. They're just natural numbers with another really important number that's relatively new in the history, in a way, of math, is 0. And so when we go 0, 1, 2, 3, that makes up the whole numbers, just the natural numbers plus 1. There's an interesting word here called identity. When two things are equal, that's actually an identity. Well, if I take 5 and I add 0, it stays as 5. If I take any big number like 367 and I add 0, it stays as 367. We call 0 an identity number. Adding 0 to any number, whole number or natural number, that just gives you the same number. There's other identity elements for different operations, and that's one of the questions they ask there for you to think about. You have to think about what that might be. Okay, I hope this helps.